Meaning of individual retirement account.
Individual retirement account.
Individual retirement account.
Individual retirement account.
Individual retirement account. An individual retirement account, IRA, is a type of savings account for individuals to save money for their retirement. IRAs offer significant tax benefits, and there are two main types, traditional and Roth. Traditional IRA contributions are tax-deductible, however, withdrawals in retirement are taxed as income. In contrast, Roth IRA contributions are not tax-deductible, but qualified withdrawals in retirement are tax-free. Both types have contribution limits and penalties for early withdrawals. IRAs give people more control over their retirement savings and can provide a reliable source of income during their golden years.